Welcome to Arohi Media Telugu. Helping Verbs course. Learn English easily.
Hello students, today we are learning was and were.
హలో విద్యార్థులారా ఈరోజు మనం was మరియు were నేర్చుకుంటాం.
In the previous lesson, we learned am, is, are.
మునుపటి పాఠంలో మనం is, are నేర్చుకున్నాం.
Today we will understand their past tense forms clearly.
ఈరోజు వాటి గతకాల రూపాలను స్పష్టంగా తెలుసుకుందాం.
Was and were are past forms of the verb be.
was మరియు were అనేవి be అనే క్రియ యొక్క గతకాల రూపాలు.
They describe a state or condition in the past.
ఇవి గతంలో ఉన్న స్థితి లేదా పరిస్థితిని తెలియజేస్తాయి.
Rule 1 was is used with singular subjects.
నియమం 1 was ను ఏకవచన కర్తలతో ఉపయోగిస్తాం.
Singular subjects, I, he, she, it.
ఏకవచన కర్తలు I, he, she, it.
Formula, singular subject plus was plus complement.
సూత్రం ఏకవచన కర్త was పూర్తి భావం చెప్పే పదం.
I was tired.
నేను అలసిపోయాను.
He was late.
అతను ఆలస్యంగా వచ్చాడు.
She was happy.
ఆమె సంతోషంగా ఉండింది.
It was raining.
వర్షం పడింది.
Negative, he was not busy.
నిరాకరణ అతను బిజీగా లేడు గతంలో.
Question, was she ready?
ప్రశ్న ఆమె సిద్ధంగా ఉందా? గతంలో.
Common mistake, he were late.
సాధారణ తప్పు he were late.
Correct, he was late.
సరైనది he was late.
Important, I is singular but we use was, not were.
ముఖ్యం I ఏకవచనం అయినప్పటికీ was వాడాలి were కాదు.
Wrong, I were happy.
తప్పు I were happy.
Correct, I was happy.
సరైనది I was happy.
Rule 2, were is used with plural subjects and you.
నియమం 2 వను బహువచన కర్తలతో మరియు you తో ఉపయోగిస్తాం.
Plural subjects, we, they, you.
బహువచన కర్తలు we, they, you.
Formula, plural subject plus were plus complement.
సూత్రం బహువచన కర్త were పూర్తి భావం చెప్పే పదం.
They were happy.
వాళ్ళు సంతోషంగా ఉన్నారు గతంలో.
We were ready.
మేము సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాము గతంలో.
You were absent.
నువ్వు గైర్హాజరు అయ్యావు గతంలో.
Negative, they were not late.
నిరాకరణ వాళ్ళు ఆలస్యంగా రాలేదు గతంలో.
Question, were they ready?
ప్రశ్న వాళ్ళు సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నారా?
Common mistake, they was happy.
సాధారణ తప్పు they was happy.
Correct, they were happy.
సరైనది they were happy.
Note, you always uses were, singular, or plural.
గమనిక you ఏకవచనం అయినా బహువచనం అయినా were వాడాలి.
Example, you were late.
ఉదాహరణ you were late.
Short answers.
చిన్న సమాధానాలు.
Was he ready? Yes, he was.
Was he ready? Yes, he was. అంటే అవును అతను సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాడు.
Were they happy? Yes, they were.
Were they happy? Yes, they were. అంటే అవును వాళ్ళు సంతోషంగా ఉన్నారు.
Timeline understanding.
కాలరేఖ అవగాహన.
Now am slash is slash are.
ఇప్పుడు am is are.
Yesterday was slash were.
నిన్న was were.
Tomorrow will be.
రేపు will be.
Example, she is happy now.
ఉదాహరణ she is happy now. అంటే ఆమె ఇప్పుడు సంతోషంగా ఉంది.
She was happy yesterday.
She was happy yesterday. అంటే ఆమె నిన్న సంతోషంగా ఉండింది.
Conversation example.
సంభాషణ ఉదాహరణ.
Where were you yesterday?
Where were you yesterday? అంటే నువ్వు నిన్న ఎక్కడ ఉన్నావు?
I was at home.
I was at home. అంటే నేను ఇంట్లో ఉన్నాను.
Were they at school?
Were they at school? అంటే వాళ్ళు స్కూల్లో ఉన్నారా?
Yes, they were.
Yes, they were. అంటే అవును, వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు.
Advanced, if I were you, is used for giving advice.
Advance, if I were you, అనేది సలహా ఇవ్వడానికి ఉపయోగిస్తారు.
Example, if I were you, I would study more.
ఉదాహరణ, if I were you, I would study more. అంటే నేను నీ స్థానంలో ఉంటే ఎక్కువగా చదువుతాను.
Fill in the blanks.
ఖాళీలను పూరించండి.
1. She late.
1. She late.
2. They happy.
2. They happy.
3. I tired.
3. I tired.
4. We ready.
4. We ready.
Answers was, were.
జవాబులు was, were, were.
Now you clearly understand was and were.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు was మరియు wereను పూర్తిగా అర్థం చేసుకున్నారు.
Practice daily and your English will improve fast.
ప్రతిరోజు సాధన చేస్తే మీ ఇంగ్లీష్ వేగంగా మెరుగుపడుతుంది.
Homework, write 5 sentences using was and were.
హోంవర్క్ was మరియు were ఉపయోగించి 5 వాక్యాలు వ్రాయండి.